What's up, guys? It's Sculler85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Saints Row the Third Remastered, and boy, it's been a while since I've done this because we can't go out. Yay! Damn you, Rona. So yeah, got this today. £30. So Asda, I believe. My parents picked it up for me, so that was nice of them. So yeah, as you can see, it's 4K Ultra HD HDR and Xbox One X enhanced, and please shut up, Seagulls. So you got all of them on the front. Got, was it Pierce, Johnny Gat? I think that's you in the middle. Sean D. Excuse me. Sean D. And I don't know who that one is on the end. So this side, there's the back. A full package remastered. And it says all that. And then Open World Mayhem, Over the Top Co-op, and it includes Genki Bowl, Gangsters in Space, and The Trouble with Clones or something, and includes more than 30 DLC items, so that's cool. His store size is up to 40 gig, and inside we have the disc and nothing else. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Saints Row the Third Remastered, guys. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye bye.